Our last math practice of chapter 4 is on page 134, converting mass to amount. So now what we have is 352 grams of iron, and we're asked determine the amount of iron present in 352 grams. Now, when they say amount, what they're talking about is how many moles. Okay, so they use the word amount a lot, where I would use the word moles, but if you understand what they're talking about, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. So we learned in the last sample that 1 mole of iron has a mass of 55.85 grams, which leaves us with 2 possible unit conversions: 1 mole over 55.85 grams, or 55.85 grams over 1 mole. So to determine which conversion we need, we go back to what we start with. We're starting with 352 grams. So we want the grams to cancel out. So I do my times and I do my fraction bar. I realize I want my grams to cancel out, so I put my grams down here. So that means I've got to use this guy, 55.85 grams and 1 mole on top. If you write M-O-L-E, M-O-L, it doesn't make a difference. M-O-L is the abbreviation for mole. I don't think it's much of an abbreviation, but either one is fine, okay? So since the 55.85 is in the denominator, that means we've got to divide it into 352. So 352 divided by 55.85, keeping 3 digits, gives me 6.30 moles of iron. And so you've got 4 more problems at the bottom of page 134 to practice your grams to moles. And we'll have a couple worksheets to practice this as well. I want to encourage you not to take shortcuts here. Don't try to memorize, oh, for this one it's multiplying and for this one it's dividing. I promise that's going to just mess you up. Just learn how to do it, and then you don't have to memorize anything, and you don't even have to think about it too much. So as always, if there's questions, let me know.